Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to play a game in the Survivor application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the Start button at the bottom of the page. And you are with this little man. And by dragging the joystick and point it towards the enemies, you can just shoot them. And after several shots, you will get to choose some new skills. So just click on the one, and this one is a drone that just helps to kill the little monsters. So, and again, you get a new one, so it really helps with the game. And if you collect these little green things, you will get strength, and there are more and more monsters, so the game eventually gets harder after some time. So yeah, you get new skills and helps from the game, and you just basically do this until you die. And at the top, as you can see, your current state, your level, and just try to survive and just kill as many of these monsters as possible. And yes, you can get some food which you will gain energy with. So another skill choice, and that's basically what you do for this game. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.